Hello, students. I'm Asha, myself from Department of Computer Science. So I would like to take one of your syllabus. The subject name is DBMS. We call it as Database Management System. I'll repeat once again. DBMS, that is Database Management System, and this Database Management System is there for first BSc students as well as second BSc students as their curriculum. Okay, so now let me explain in brief what is database management system, and along with that we need to have some basic understanding of what is called as data. So I have written here that data is a collection of raw facts and figures. So let me see what are facts. Facts are nothing but truth, and figures are nothing but letters, digits and symbols. So we have so many truths in our life which could be represented in terms of figures. The best example is the name of a student is a fact. Yes, we know that the name of any student is a true thing that we need to accept it. And the name of the student can be represented in terms of figures such as alphabet. For example, Arjun is a name of a student. That Arjun is written in terms of alphabets using English alphabets. Similarly, register number is also a fact, that is a true thing, and this true thing is also represented using the figures like ABC 1002. Here ABC are alphabets and 1002 are the figures. And course is nothing but also a fact that is represented in terms of figures using Roman letters, first BCA and second BCA. So any truth of that matter you take, every truth is represented in terms of its figures. So this is what we call it as a data. So once again I'll repeat, data is a collection of raw facts and figures. Facts are nothing but truth, and these truths are represented in terms of figures like letters, digits and symbols. So let me go to the next topic. Yeah, this is database. Now we have defined what is data. Let me now define what is database. So database is a collection of related data uh, which are logically related to one another, have been collected and kept in a form of a table. That is what is called as a database. This is not the technical definition, but still I would like to explain you in terms of the example. So now just now we have discussed that the data is a fact that is represented in terms of figures. So we'll group all such data and let me call that as a database. So for example, let me take a database of or a table that is representing the information of a student. So now such kind of database we call it as a student database. So already we had discussed in the last topic that name of a student is a fact, register number is also a fact, as well as age is also a fact of a student. So have written the student name, student register number and age in column, and under each column have written the names of three students, Arjun, Sanjay and Veena, and the register numbers are ABC 1001 and similarly 1002 and 1001, 1003, and the age is been written as 18, 17 and 18. So here Arjun is a data that is representing the fact called as name, which is represented in terms of alphabets, and register number is also a data represented in terms of letters as well as digits, which is a fact called as register number. Age is also a number that is representing a data called as age, or 18 is a number that is representing a fact called as age. So collection of such student name, student register number and age are being inherited together, and they are being kept logically in one place or in a table, and it is called as a student database. So this student database can be maintained in future. Suppose let me assume there are only 3 students in first BCA. So few more students are being added or got admitted to the college. So in that case, what we are going to do, this database has to be added with few more students, and if any students leaves the college, then that particular students have to be deleted. also. And if there is any modification in the register number, then we need to modify. If there is any updation, suppose if I would like to update the value of the database, say for example, if there is one more column called as address, and if that address is being changed, then I need to update the address column also. So in that case, any database have to be maintained and managed by inserting new rows or adding new student information, or deleting the data, or modifying and updating. So and each and every row can be managed. So any database, you can consider any database, you can take a employee database, or you can take a bank database. Each and every database is being inherited with facts and figures. Thank you.